Hey friends, Zen Kuni here with a two-handled club. So let's take a look at some calisthenic move that we can do with a two-handled club that gets your whole body starting to wake up and get ready to move for the day. So we're going to start with the club out to the side. We're going to do a diagonal lunge to the rear, go underneath the thigh, stand back up, diagonal lunge, and back up. This is a great one to start getting the whole body moving and grooving. Inhale, exhale as you go down. And there you have one new move to do with two-handled club.